Before you reach to my masterclass, I want to tell you a few things. So you come up with that mind when you reach to our masterclass. Hi, this is Shraddha Kakkad, pageant and modeling expert and a lifestyle entrepreneur. I would like to begin this with a small story. When elephants are baby elephants, they are just born. They tie him with a rope. And no wonder how much he tries to run away from there. He cannot, because at that time he doesn't have that sort of capacity. But when he grows bigger and they tie him with the same rope, but at that time his mindset has changed. He is not aware of the strength he has. And he does not even give it a try to pull that rope and that he can freely go anywhere he wants. Because he becomes bigger, or because he grows with that sort of mindset. And this is how many people are being grown with that sort of mindset. They think that they don't have that sort of capacity to achieve what they want in life. I'm sure most of the people have big dreams, but those dreams just remain in their heart and they never come out, or they don't even discuss that with anyone. Because you know why? They underestimate themselves and they think, no, I won't be able to achieve it. Unfortunately, I never passed through this phase, because when I started understanding things, maybe because of my parents' support or because of my background, I always had that sort of motivation inside me that I want to do something in my life. That's the reason from the age of 16, 17, I started reading very much inspirational books like You Can Win by Shiv Khera. I was 16 or 17 when I read that book. And maybe my life situation also came like that in later period of my teenage, that my dad became an insolvent, and that's the reason I had to work. And then I realized that not only this, I have to achieve something more than this. So I want to tell you that having a right mindset, having a right foundation is very important. See, understand, on a sand near the seashore, or just on a sand, or on a land of sand, okay, you cannot build a skyscraper. It will not last. Another example, if you want to construct a building, you have to do the excavation, you have to dig down, you have to make columns and beams, you have to make the whole infrastructure below there. Then you make a plinth on it, and then the whole building stands on it. So how if we ourselves don't have a basic foundation strong, how will we achieve our dreams? Because that needs a lot of strength, lot of willpower, And for that, having a correct mindset is very important. And this is one of the chapters I have covered in our course. And that's the reason anything you want to start, whether it's modeling, pageantry, acting, business, job, having a correct mindset is very important. So before we start even walking or starting to learn makeup, or even starting to begin anything, whether it's about modeling or pageantry, I want you to have a right mindset. I want you to have that willpower that yes, I want to learn, yes, I want to do it, yes, I want to conquer the world. I want to be successful. I want to achieve what I have decided. I am not going to listen to anybody that somebody will come and tell me that you can't do this, you can't do that. No, if it's your dream, you will achieve it. If Neil Armstrong can go on the moon, he was the first person. Why can't you win a pageant or become a professional, successful model? It's a very small thing. After I have achieved it, I find it small. To some people, they might be finding it very big task, but that's okay. Everything is achievable. So I want you to take that decision that yes, you want to do something in your life. You want to achieve your dreams. And with this mindset, I started my life. And a lot of successful people have started their lives with this mindset. So get up, get your mindset right, make your foundation strong, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much.